Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of today's most trusted appliances. Today we're featuring what we believe is the best stainless steel wall mount range hood on the market, the VIKIO Home Wall Mount Range Hood 30-inch. If you're looking to elevate your kitchen with both function and sleek design, stay tuned for the full breakdown of why this vent hood might just be your next favorite appliance. Let's dive in. First off, the VIKIO Home Range Hood is built with a dual intake motor design. That means it pulls in air from both sides, increasing airflow by 20% compared to traditional single-sided systems. It has a robust 580 CFM suction power, which is more than enough to clear smoke, steam, and unwanted odors from your kitchen, whether you're deep frying, searing, or boiling away. Now, let's talk design. The range hood features a sleek pyramidal shape, constructed from 430-grade brushed stainless steel. It fits beautifully into both modern and transitional kitchen decors. The finish is not only stylish, it's also stain-resistant, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. If you don't have external ductwork, no worries, it's ducted and ductless convertible, so it fits into nearly any kitchen configuration. You can opt for the carbon filter kit if you plan to go ductless. In terms of noise, this hood keeps things impressively quiet. At its lowest fan setting, it hums at just 40 dBA, which is barely louder than a whisper. On high, it remains under 65 dBA, so even during heavy-duty cooking, your kitchen conversation isn't drowned out by motor noise. For maintenance, VIKIO has made it refreshingly simple. It comes with two permanent stainless steel filters that are dishwasher safe. They're easy to pop out, clean, and slide right back in. These filters effectively trap grease and airborne particles, which helps keep your entire kitchen cleaner over time. You'll get everything you need right out of the box. The package includes all mounting hardware, a clear and easy-to-follow instruction manual, and even free replacements for accessories like the filters and LED lights, should you ever need them. That kind of support is rare and much appreciated. Let's not forget the energy-efficient LED lights, which provide great visibility while you cook, without adding heat or driving up your electric bill. It measures 19.68 inches deep, 29.3 inches wide, and up to 41 inches high, giving you a perfect fit for most 30-inch cooktop spaces. The voltage is standard 110 volts, so if you're outside the US, make sure to check compatibility or use a converter. To wrap things up, the VIKIO Home Wall Mount Range Hood 30-inch combines strong performance, premium materials, and flexible installation into one stunning package. Whether you're remodeling your kitchen or upgrading a dated vent system, this range hood offers powerful ventilation and modern elegance, all at a reasonable price point. That's it for today's episode on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. And if you're considering this range hood for your kitchen, check out the link in the description for more details and current pricing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.